Hey everyone! Ready for a super simple, incredibly tasty meal that's perfect for any night? Today, we're making pan-fried chicken chops. Juicy, flavorful, and ready in a flash. This recipe is a game changer for busy cooks. You'll need some bone-in, skin-on chicken chops, or thighs if you prefer. A little olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika will do wonders. Don't forget a fresh lemon wedge for serving. It adds a bright finish. First, pat your chicken chops dry with a paper towel. This step is key for crispy skin. Then, season generously on both sides with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Really rub it in for maximum flavor. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of olive oil. Once hot, carefully place your chicken chops skin side down. Let them cook for about 6 to 8 minutes until the skin is golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Flip them over and continue cooking for another 10 to 12 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures they're perfectly cooked through and super juicy inside. Rest your chicken for a few minutes before serving. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the top brightens everything up beautifully. Serve it with your favorite sides like roasted veggies or a simple salad. There you have it. Delicious pan-fried chicken chops made easy. You'll love how simple and satisfying this is. Happy cooking, and I'll catch you next time.